Hello everyone. Me on the behalf of the team Cypher represents our project Lecture Graph. Let's begin. We all know the struggle. Exams are approaching and instead of studying, we are wasting hours just searching for the right playlist on YouTube, dealing with distracting ads or going to seniors for notes. The problem isn't lack of content. The problem is chaos. Students in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities have the potential, but they lack a structured, focused path to consume that knowledge. Our solution, Lecture Graph, a student-first AI-powered learning platform designed to turn chaos into clarity. We are not just another video player. We are a structured roadmap for your degree. You might ask, doesn't YouTube or a college LMS do this? YouTube is built for engagement, not education. You get distracted by shorts and recommendations. College portals are often outdated and empty. Lecture Graph bridges this gap. We combine the vast content of the internet with the discipline of a university environment wrapped in a modern, distraction-free interface. Let me walk you through the MVP we have built. This is Lecture Graph. This is the first interface where user logins. Here only official college email IDs are allowed. Access control is managed by the admin. Secure backend authentication is used. This is the home screen where you can see all the courses are here. BTech, MTech or whatever. I'm selecting BTech and now in BTech I have some branches I'm student of. Like I select AIML. Now from which semester you are. Like I am from 3rd sem, then I'll have a list of subjects in my syllabus. Whichever subject you want to study, you can just go through them and all the topics will be here. And you can see now here is the collection of the videos from every professors, like here Professor Sharma and Dr. Anjali. And these teachers are ranked at rank 1 and rank 2, and also they are scored, like, watch time and all, by which student can see which teacher is ranked great, so he will teach great. And here you can watch the video, and Gemini yet summary is also available here. And from the download notes section you can download the notes, and here we also have added dark and the light mode, and you can go through whichever video you want. And here is the user section. Here your details will be so, like degree, branch, semester and role. And if you want to log out, you can log out from this red button. And okay, if you are also uploading a lecture, you can just upload using this upload section. Here you have to select a video file and write its topic here, and teacher name and the subject. All the subjects are listed here: operating system, physics, DBMS or whatever. And then analyze and upload. Here your video will be compressed and Gemini AI will watch it and extract board and compute topic. Then successfully lecture will be uploaded and the ranking system will start. That was all about Lecture Graph. The goal of Lecture Graph is not just to share lectures, but to empower students to make better learning decisions based on data.